USDJPY today analysis. Hello friends and welcome to your channel TubeCore. In this video, we'll talk about dollar against yen. And before we start the video, if you're new to the channel, then make sure you subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, press the bell notification. Below the video, you'll find some links. So join the free Telegram channel if you want some free signals every now and then check out the brokers on a profile right here. Go and sign up with these brokers to start a separate account if and when you are going to trade with my signals. I don't want you to mix my signals with your existing accounts. So a separate account. And do all of that and subscribe, like. I'll talk about this in Telegram as well when you join. And then we have this chart starting the top-down approach with weekly time frame. In weekly, I told you many times we have started the uptrend. So uptrend pullback, and then again a new high. Okay. Hopefully, well, weekly is like bullshit. You don't really get to know what's going to happen tomorrow in weekly, but it's also a technical expertise to figure out if the uptrend has started in weekly or not. Okay, a weekly is a very slow mover. It's weekly is equal to monthly chart. Okay, so anyways, in weekly doesn't make sense. Let's go back to daily. In daily, what do we have? We have broken above the EMA on 17th of June, which was yesterday, I guess. Okay, or whenever it was. And then today the day is closing above the EMA, and we have a rejection. And this is any fool can understand that this is a big rejection, which means we will continue going up. I think in USDJPY we have officially started the uptrend in this particular pair. Okay, so this is a big rejection coming on 18th of what is the June, 18th of June. Okay, because I told you the dollar news had just come half an hour ago, and that has pushed the dollar upwards. Okay, so dollar is strong right now because the news came half an hour ago. And we are going long. Okay, so let's come to 4 hour for entry now. Okay, you can pay me some money for this. I'm going to give you 50 pips for free right now. Okay, this was the uptrend pullback, new high pullback. This low is not broken. Then we have this blue candle which is going to eat this red candle. Enter long after the finish of this blue candle and take your profits at 145.70. Nobody for free in YouTube analysis. First of all, they don't tell you the exact entry, but I'm telling you right now. Enter after the end of this candle because this red candle is being eaten by this giant blue candle in next 2 hours. Okay, so as soon as this candle is closed, enter long position. When to exit? Exit at 145.70. That is your take profit. Okay, and then you can come and paying some money. Okay, so yes, for now everything is free. I don't have any paid membership. I mean, I do have, but I'm not advertising it. So right now I'm not charging anything to you. I'm giving you everything for free. So appreciate that. Subscribe, like, share, whatever you have to. It's your job, not mine. Join Telegram and share the video. Sharing means that not many people are doing this for free. And those who are doing this, they charge you thousands of dollars. So share the video, like, blah, blah, blah. This is all your duty, not mine, okay? And I'll see you in my next video. Till then, have a good day.